Hello and welcome back to TreblD. In this video we'll demonstrate how to fine-tune doors and windows. Here we are back in the shell explode scene from the previous video. We'll just double click on a shell to open it up. We've rotated and flipped a lot of modules and some of these doors are all over the place. This one's going outside, so we'll just delete it and copy a door from the next room. We select the door and using the move tool we tap the control key to make a copy. You'll see the little plus sign come up. Then we'll grab it at the corner and move it to the left. We tap the left arrow to lock in the green direction, then fine tune it to get it in the right spot. If we want the door to swing to the right rather than the left, we right click and select flip along, components red. We need to move this bathroom window. It's looking into the laundry, so we'll select it. We go to edit and select copy. Then we go to edit and paste and we plant it on the wall. Then grab it at the top around the center. If you hover the cursor in the approximate spot, a purple dot will light up to show you the exact midpoint of the window. Click on that point, then move the window up to the top of the wall and slide it back and forth. A light blue dot will then light up to show you the midpoint of the wall. So click on that spot. We click again and slide the window down and just tap the down arrow to lock in the blue direction. Now move the cursor to the old window to reference the height we want and click again. Now we'll delete the old window. This rather large double door doesn't work with a wall in the middle of it, so we'll delete it. Then we'll copy and paste a smaller door. We can refer to the scan scene to check where we need to put it. It's important that doors go in at the correct height, that is, with the bottom of the door frame sitting at the edge where the wall meets the floor. If the door is set at the wrong height, it's going to cause some dramas later. It's best to grab the door frame on the bottom and use the down arrow to lock in the blue direction. Then zoom into the correct spot. There's a few more doors that need to go in at the back of the garage, so we'll put them in place using the same method. I'd like to change this bedroom window. It's a little too close to the front door. So using the move tool, we hover over the window to light up the rotate tool. We then grab a red dot and crank the window around to the vertical position. Then move it to where we want it. So that's it. It's all looking good. We'll just save it, then explode. First we open up the shell to edit it. Then we make a left to right selection box. This will highlight everything, all our faces and windows. Then we right click and select explode. As you can see, a highlight panel comes up on each window. This is the TreblD push face. It's a face that's built into all windows and doors. It's a slightly technical issue, but we'll just go through it briefly. Any windows and doors that are created in SketchUp have a slight quirk. They'll only cut one opening in the surface of a wall, that is, either the inside or the outside face. There's various workarounds to solve this problem, but they can cause their own problems too. Our method is the TreblD push face. We explode the window, then go outside and push a face through it. Using the push-pull tool, we hover over the window until the face lights up, click on it and push the face back while hovering over the inside face of the wall as a reference point. Click on it again and we've just cut an opening in the outside face of the wall. Now from the other side we can see through the window. SketchUp's memory system has saved the wall thickness reference. We now only have to double click on the other windows to push the face the correct distance and create an opening in the wall. We work through the model and push every window. This process gives us an edge and creates a new face that connects the inside and the outside of the wall. This allows us to adjust the thickness of walls, external walls in particular. We'll go over this in detail a bit later. We now do the same thing with each door. We've had a drama with this door because I pushed it the wrong way, so I'll just undo it and continue on. So the door has reversed its edge, so I'll just take a bit of care and reference it again and push it carefully. If you're having a problem with the door misbehaving, it's best to just delete the door altogether, patch up the wall, and put a new door in. So all the windows and doors are done. It's all looking good. We'll save the model and move on. If it's all too hard or if you just don't have the time, please feel free to contact us at TreblD. We have very modestly priced consultants who can help you out with construction drawings or any aspect of the design process. Cheers.